Ever wonder why you yawn right after someone else does? Yawning is actually contagious. Just seeing, hearing, or even thinking about it can trigger one. Blame your mirror neuron special brain cells that activate when you see someone else do something. These same neurons are linked to empathy, your brain's ability to feel what others feel. Be honest, did you just yawn while watching this? Tag someone who yawns easily, and follow for another day of mind-blowing facts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.